It feels like just yesterday that Google dropped a bombshell with its legendary image editor, NANO Banana, and it went completely viral. Its ability to handle deep fakes, micro-edit photos, and maintain character consistency set a new standard. For a moment there, I thought NANO Banana's reign would be a long one. Well, think again, because there's a new contender in the ring that's already raising the bar even higher. But you be the judge. I'm about to show you some incredible examples. ByteDance, the minds behind TikTok, have just unleashed Seedream 4.0. This is their new state-of-the-art AI image generator and editor, and it's a beast. In this video, I'm going to push it to its limits and see how it stacks up against the top models out there, including the formidable NANO Banana. And of course, I'll show you exactly how you can get your hands on it. Let's start with some of the capabilities showcased in their official demos. First off, it seems to be really good at keeping things consistent. You can give it one picture of a character, and it looks like it can generate new shots from different camera angles, like from above or from the back, keeping the character looking exactly the same every time. It also looks like a beast for branding. You can feed it a logo, and it seems to generate a whole set of product mock-ups, packaging, hats, cards, you name it, while keeping the logo and style perfectly intact across everything. The editing tools look pretty sharp too. It seems you can merge multiple photos, change the text and dates on a poster, or turn a rough sketch into a finished image. It even looks like it can swap a dog's breed in a photo while keeping the original pose. It also appears to excel at creative styles, letting you do things like colorize black and white photos, apply a new artistic style to an image, or remake an object out of different materials like bronze, paper, or even yarn. Finally, it looks genuinely smart. It seems capable of generating complex diagrams, posters, website landing pages, and even timelines, just like Canva, but supercharged. Okay, now that we have checked out their official demos, let's put the model into test to see if it really lives up to the hype. To do this, I will be pitting Seedream 4.0 directly against Google's NANO Banana and the Qwen Image edit model. Currently, you can access Seedream 4.0 through several platforms. API access is available via Fal.ai and Replicate, or you can try it on ByteDance's own Chinese platform, Himeng, which offers free daily credits. On paid platforms, the cost is roughly 3 cents per image generation. For our examples, I will be using the Seedream model through CArt AI platform, where we can work within limited free credits. First up, let's test character consistency in the 3 image models. I will upload this image of a girl, and let's give the prompt as make fisheye overhead view of this. And here we go, and we can see that Seedream has done a nice job in creating the fisheye view. It's not exactly over the head, but the details are very consistent with the given original image. NANO Banana output is also decent, actually quite good. It has nailed the fisheye point of view. On the other hand, Qwen's output is not exactly a fisheye view. It has got the overhead part with the angle, but it is not very accurate. Let's try one more perspective and give the prompt to get a back view from the same image. And here we are. And all the outputs are indeed back views. But looking closely, we can see the differences. The output from Seedream is good, but the background has remained the exact same here. Same table and same people. Only the girl has turned back. I kinda expected the background to be changed as well, like their official demos. And you can see here that the tiny detail of her belt has disappeared. The Qwen output too is the exact same background, same table, same people. But I think NANO Banana has the best result this time. It has slightly changed the background as well. Remember that I gave the prompt as give the back view of this scene, so only NANO Banana has adhered 100% perfectly to our prompt. Next, let's try a different case. I have this aerial photo of Manchester City taken in broad daylight, and let's try to turn it into nighttime. Upload the image and type the prompt, and let's see how it turns out. Wow! All the models have indeed understood the prompt perfectly and gave us 3 nighttime images from the same input. Qwen's result is much darker than the other two, so not many details are visible. NANO Banana's output is not exactly midnight. It has nice realistic purple and the roads are lightened up. I really like this output from Seedream here, purple again, but now with some stars, and building lights and the road lights are more realistic and not over the top. A beautiful city night. For another test, here I have a draft logo design, and we are going to customize it. Let's change the name for a brand, and change the breed of the dog. This can be a bit tough, but let's see what happens. The result from NANO Banana is very impressive. It has accurately changed the logo name, and while not a 100% match, the Chihuahua is quite convincing too. Qwen, on the other hand, has nailed the logo text, and we can see that the dog has changed to some extent, but not good enough. Seedream model, for some reason, has not changed the text, but the change in dog breed is quite good. And now, let's try a classic editing test case. Clothes swapping. Let's take this image of a girl. She's wearing a white top and prompt, and here we are. All three models have adapted different shades of green color, and all have done a great job in swapping the outfit. It looks like a tie, but if I have to, I would give the edge to NANO Banana. The floral pattern is very visible and colored, while Seedream's pattern is all white. Now, let's see about text translations. I have previously noted that the Qwen Image edit really shines well in this task, but let's see how our new Seedream model does against it. I will upload this image and type as, and let's see what happens. And here we have the results. This time, NANO Banana has failed to translate the text properly from the image. Some words are still in English. Seedream 2 has not done a very good job. The second word has come out as blank. However, as expected, Qwen has nailed the translation perfectly as the clear winner of this round. Finally, let's see how Seedream performs in restoring old photos. I have this old vintage family photo, and let's give the models the same prompt for restoring it. As you can see, NANO Banana is really struggling on this end. Both the colorization and restoration have not been successful. It still looks like a very old photo, but now with a weirder color palette. While Seedream's output is overall much better than NANO Banana, it still looks pretty retro style and needs a bit more work. Qwen has absolutely nailed this test round. It's a perfect benchmark restored photo, and it looks like it was just taken today. So, as you can see, Seedream 4.0 is certainly up there as an impressive AI image tool, as it has understood all my instructions well and does a fairly good job even with the complex tasks. But the truth is, Google's NANO Banana and Qwen Image edit model are still very much alive in the game. So, no, I wouldn't say it's better than NANO Banana, but it's incredible to see this level of progress in just a couple of weeks. The pace of innovation in AI is truly breathtaking. So, what do you think? Have you had a chance to try Seedream 4.0? Let me know in the comments below if you've discovered any other cool uses for it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more AI tool updates to stay ahead of the fast-moving AI curve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.